Let's navigate the terrain of upcoming economic news and events to anticipate their effects on currency pairs and cryptocurrencies.
Are you a trader? Aren't you profitable yet? Would you be interested in trading and effortlessly gaining profits? Please leave your comments and likes below this video, and feel free to reach out to us to commence your journey towards profitable trading.
We extend our gratitude for your attention. CADJPY Forex Academy is committed to providing you with weekly Forex and crypto analysis and forecast. Stay ahead with our daily Forex and crypto signals. Support us by liking, commenting, and subscribing to receive our valuable signals and analysis.